Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to borrow money from Cash App. All right, let's begin. To borrow money from Cash App, first ensure your app is updated to the latest version. Open the app and navigate to the home page. Tap on the search icon at the bottom of your screen and type Borrow. If available in your region, you should see it pop up at the top. Keep in mind that not all U.S. residents have access to this feature yet. Eligibility can depend on several factors: your state of residence, having an active Cash App card, and frequent use of Cash App services. Additionally, credit history plays a role. Poor credit may reduce your chances of accessing this feature. If you believe you're eligible but still can't access borrowing, consider reaching out to Cash App support via their chat function for assistance. So that's basically how you can borrow money from Cash App. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.